Hey, welcome back din ng Mini Mage PH. Today, nakuha ko na yung mga boxes nung pinili kong cards kagabi sa MTG Tambayan. Shoutout pala sa mga players natin dyan, mga pops natin dyan sa MTG Tambayan. And I just wanna show you yung binili kong 3 boxes ng Magic the Gathering. So, 2 pieces of commons and commons to worth 600 pesos. Tapos pinalalamove ko lang siya. Not a sponsor. Pero 86 pesos yung binayaran ko. So total around 686 pesos yung binayad ko for the cards along with the shipping. So basically nakita ko yung post ng seller sa Tambayan, tapos nagbebenta daw siya ng bulk 1,000 pieces. Tapos sabi niya, offer lang daw. So tinanong ko kung, well, technically wala pa lang 1,000 pieces yung nakalagay. So sabi niya lang, bulk selling ng commons and commons. So chinat ko siya kagabi, tapos tinanong ko kung ilang pieces yung cards. Sabi niya around 1,000 pieces daw. So sabi ko, nag-offer ako around 300 pesos for 1,000 pieces. And then I even asked kung meron pa siyang additional cards, approximate probably 2,000. Sabi niya, fortunately meron. So eto na yun. And I offered them 600 pesos for 2,000 pieces ng mga bulk. So again, if you haven't watched my other videos, I'm buying bulk commons and uncommons para I can create more pauper decks para mabigay natin dun sa mga bagong players sa office. So, alam niyo naman kung gaano ka-complex yung paglalaro ng Magic the Gathering or learning about Magic the Gathering. So, I strongly suggest na if you wanna let them join the game, probably let them play Pauper instead of EDH. Kasi yung Pauper, commons and uncommons lang, affordable na siya. At the same time, mas madali yung mga pyesa. Okay? At saka super linear lang niya. Unlike pagka EDH, eternal yung format from standard pabalik ng set, lahat ng legal cards pwede mong laruin, and mas malawak yung variation. So sobrang daming ruling, sobrang daming text. So if you teach them how to play, I strongly suggest provide a pauper deck instead. And yun yung hopefully ma-achieve ko by buying these bulk decks. I mean, bulk commons and uncommons. And hopefully, I can buy bulk rares then in the future. Pero eto yun. And by the way, FYI, mas maraming nagkaka-interest sa office namin na maglaro, and even yung mga dati kong katrabaho. So may nag-chat lang sa akin today asking anong magandang buuin sa Magic when he plays Magic. Kasi nainganyo yata siya ng boss niya. Kasi never naman siya naglaro before nung nasa office, nung katrabaho namin siya. And then, sabi ko, I strongly suggest na maglaro siya ng standard format Magic sa MTG Arena. So you can download MTG Arena sa PC or laptop and play it, kasi it'll show you yung basic ruling along with the foundation. And also you can get the gist of how to play the cards, get the feel about yung play style mo, anong color gusto mo, yung identity, so strategy ng mga cards for free without even buying the physical card, yung mismong cardboard. So you also have MTG online, pero ang sakop naman niya is more on modern pababa. So if you play standard, I strongly suggest, or standard other formats then like historic brawl, more on one-on-one, but I strongly suggest to play in MTG Arena to get yung basic foundation ng how to play Magic the Gathering. Okay, so yun lang yung tip ko sa kanya. So, hopefully we'll open these boxes. We'll sort it out soon. And if you haven't watched my other videos, you can watch the other video after nitong videong ito. Okay? And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any feedback, suggestion, comment down below. And again, watch the video after this. Thank you, and be someone by helping someone. Have a good day.